Hello, everyone. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. My name is Nata Hussain, and I got a WikiCred grant for doing the vaccine safety project. So the goal of this project was to document the existing knowledge and find the knowledge gaps related to vaccine safety on English Wikipedia. So, like Monica said in the first presentation, it's very important that we have like reliable information on Wikipedia because several it gathers a lot of traffic, and particularly during the pandemic, it becomes very important that reliable information related to vaccine safety is present on Wikipedia. The idea of this project was to first look at how much of vaccine safety related information is covered on English Wikipedia articles, and also to find the knowledge gaps there so that it could be like reduced and bridged by doing editathons and other content gap drives in the future. So this is the main page of the vaccine safety project. So it was done in a portal style. A portal is a place where people who have similar interests come together and work on a particular topic. So the pages of this project were designed like a portal so that it's easier for the editors to navigate and understand the list of sources and the list of missing topics, the news, and it also contains some tips about how to like write new articles from scratch. So this is the main page which explains why it's important to write about vaccine safety on Wikipedia. And I also have the sources page. Here I have listed some of the search strategies that one can use in finding reliable sources related to vaccine safety. So I've got search algorithms for PubMed, Science Direct, Cochrane Library, and so forth, which are some of the very reliable websites that contain journal articles and other academic publications. And I also have links to medical literature from different organizations such as the World Health Organization and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention of the US. Yes. And I have an extra sources list here, which shows the possible images, possible data, and possible text that could be added from other sources to Wikipedia articles related to vaccine safety. So they have all been listed here in this page. Mm. And next one is the list of missing topics. So here I have like collected some of the general topics as well as some specific topics related to vaccine safety. And so done it in this format so that it's a table with the title of the article, with the resources that one can use for creating or expanding that article, and related articles and sections which are related to that article that doesn't exist. So this is a pretty good list of some general topics. And I have also collected some of the organizations that work in the realm of vaccine safety, particularly the members of the Vaccine Safety Network, which is an umbrella organization under the World Health Organization. So here, the Vaccine Safety Network is a group of different websites and organizations from around 60 countries. And these are affiliated to the World Health Organization, and they contain reliable information related to vaccine safety. So this is the list of the affiliates under the Vaccine Safety Network. And I have also collected some information regarding country-based vaccination status. So the World Health Organization, the UNICEF, and the NHS and CDC, all these have a lot of good information about the vaccination status in countries around the world. So I made an attempt to collect the references related to how the vaccination status is in a particular country. For example, take for example India, and you can go to the World Health Organization's immunization portal to see the vaccine compliance level. You can also see the list of mandatory and scheduled vaccines which are given for children as well as for adults, and the general governmental policy related to vaccination and so forth. And all this information which is given in the references could be used to create vaccination related articles for specific countries. And you can see that many of them are still red linked, which means that there is no article for that country right now. But we have been running several editathons these days, and through these editathons, we plan to bridge this gap between this gap of country-based vaccination status. So that is it. Um, and here are also some articles that need expansion or cleanup. The next one is the messages section. And uh, there are certain things, there's a lot of misinformation about vaccination that is circulating on the internet. So the idea here was to create short messages, such as, like, we all know that there is a conspiracy theory around linking vaccination with autism and other idiopathic diseases. And in this portal, I would have a sentence which says there is no link between vaccines and autism. And I would give a reference towards that, so that it becomes easier for the editors to use these messages and put them on vaccine related articles. And they do not have to look for the references on their own, and it has already been given here. And this could also be used when we create articles for misinformation related to vaccine safety. And the last item here is the Wikidata list. I used Listeria bot. Listeria bot is an algorithm that collects Wikidata items related to a specific theme or a topic. So I collected all the vaccine related information that Wikidata knows of and put them as as a list here. So you can see that all the vaccines that Wikidata knows of has been listed here. And if the name of the vaccine is given in italics, such as this, it means that that particular article doesn't exist on Wikipedia right now. And once you click here, it will go to the relevant vaccine related page on Wikidata. And this page is frequently updated every day by the Listeria bot. So one doesn't have to do this updation manually. So all the new information that comes up on Wikidata also shows up here on this vaccine safety page. In the end, I also had the privilege to collaborate with the National Academy of Sciences of the United States. So they gave me a list of bibliography from them, which contains publications related to vaccine safety. And with the help of another grantee from the vaccine from WikiCred, his name is Housemedin Turkey, and with his help, I was able to process the data in this way as an Excel sheet. And I could use the quick statements tool quick statements tool, which is a tool for batch uploading all these references to Wikidata. And the batch upload was also successfully completed thanks to Housemedin's work on the Excel program, on the spreadsheet that contains the list of references. We also had conducted editathons related to vaccine safety. 2 editathons were conducted thus far. And the first one happened on the 28th of August, 2020. And around 25 to 30 people participated in this event. Here, the idea was to invite both experts in vaccine safety who have never edited Wikipedia, and also experts from Wikipedia together, so that they could work together and understand what are the knowledge gaps that exist on Wikipedia, and work together to create new articles related to vaccine safety. So this is the project page. And there was a presentation regarding why vaccine safety is important and how Wikipedia works. And after the presentation, the participants began by writing articles which are of their interest related to vaccine safety. Um, yes. So these are the things that happened as a part of the vaccine safety project. The project is now complete, and I hope that more people will learn about this project and write more related to vaccine safety, because it's one of the most relevant topics that we need on Wikipedia right now, considering that we are amidst this pandemic, and that there is a lot of conversations regarding vaccines right now.